Jai Gurudev. My name is Shubhodip Chatterjee. I'm doing my master's in life sciences. So my guru story is of 2012. वो पहला साल था जब हम लोग आश्रम जाने वाले थे नवरात्रि के एंड वी प्लान्ड अ रैंडम टूर फॉर इट. So 15 to 20 people from our chapter planned that we will be going for ashram to attend a Navratri. So as I said, it was a random tour, and after that, we also planned that we will go and visit a bit places in South India. Then what happened was we didn't find flights feasible, so we took the route of trains. अभी हुआ क्या कि because it was just a random tour, so we were not getting tickets in those trains which were direct, means from Ranchi to Yashwantpur, that is Ashram. So what we thought कि हम लोग थोड़ा चेंज करते हैं. We thought of taking a train from Ranchi to Raurkela, and from Raurkela we will board another train, and then we will travel to Yashwantpur. So uh, we got the tickets also for that. Now what happened was, in excitement, because it was the first time, many of us haven't seen Gurudev also at that very point of time. So we were totally excited for Navratri. So the time passed and the day when we will be traveling came. So as a typical Bengali family, the train was at 3 o'clock, but we started our journey by 11 o'clock from my place. And we reached the station by 1 o'clock. We checked in the inquiry and saw that the train is arriving at the platform number 2. So with all our bags and luggages, we went to that platform number 2, sat in a bench. And as it was the first time, we started talking about Gurudev, and we started talking about how Navratri is being celebrated there. Then what happened was, while we were talking, we didn't saw the time. And when we became conscious about the time, it was 2:45. And we, in a way, observed that train was to come at 3 o'clock. And it was 2:45. And since no announcement about the train was being done. So what we thought that because we were talking, so we missed the announcement. So one of the guy, he is a teacher in Art of Living named Rupesh Uncle Vise. He went to the inquiry to to know what has happened. Is there is a new announcement or what? So when he came back, it was said that a goods train was coming on the same track in which our train was coming. As a result, because the goods train was very big, the train has to slow down, and it will be reaching that very station 3 hours late. Now the big problem was it takes 3 hours to travel from Ranchi to Raurkela, and after that we had a 3 hours gap so that we can successfully board the next train. But the thing what that happened was, because it's this train is coming 3 hours late, so the point when this train will be reaching Raurkela, at that very point, what will happen? The next train, the Tata Yeshwanthpur train, which we will be boarding for Bangalore, will be leaving Raurkela. So it was a cut-to-cut situation here. So for the next 3 hours, we just kept on seeing the tracks that any train comes and so on and so forth. Then what happened? The train reached at 6:15. So most of us had like lost all the hope that we will be able to catch the next train, which was at 9 o'clock in Raurkela. And it is said that it's always on time. So now what happened? Some of the senior devotees who were traveling with us, they said, Ki yaar, let it be. Let's chant Jai Gurudev and take the rest. So we boarded this train, LAP, which will now what happened? The train started. And the interesting thing is, at that very point of time, between Ranchi to Raurkela, that very stretch, in that there was no mobile network at all. So we cannot see the running status. We cannot talk to anyone. and get the running status of the train. All that we can do was to just sit and pray. Even the guys who were daily passengers in that very train, they said that you should cancel that plan because you are not going to get that train at all. We are traveling daily, and we say you that there is not a bit of chance that you will be able to get that very train. Now, what happened? All the senior devotees who were with us, we started praying to Gurudev that Gurudev, we are going to you. We are going to meet you for the first time. Now, you are the only way which which can help us and help us get that very train. Now, the next 3 hours was completely about prayers. Now, I remember that it was 8:45, and what happened? Our train stopped at a halt. It was, and we talked to people around, and they say that it's somewhere near to Rourkela, but we are not in Rourkela. Now, what happened? We tried to peep outside of the windows, and we saw that it was completely dark. It was middle of a jungle, so we were continuously losing hope that we will not get that train. Then what happens? A tea vendor comes inside the compartment. So a guy who was not with us, but who was in the compartment, asked that tea vendor, why has the train stopped? So he said, "Ki the Tata Yeshwantpur train will be passing by. Hence, this train has to be stopped." Now we said, "यार, please repeat what you said." He said कि टाटा यशवंतपुर जाने वाली है भैया, इसीलिए इस ट्रेन को रोका गया है. So, listening to this, few of the volunteers went towards the gate and stood there to check out if the train is coming or not. Now, what happened? Where we were sitting on the opposite side, there was a small kid. He was talking to his mother, and he pointed out that, "Mom, see, a train is coming or a light is coming." So we went to the gate, and we were seeing that there is something coming with a great speed. So if at all it is Tata Yeshwantpur also, its speed says that it is not going to stop here. But what happened? The light came in front, and then the engine passed by. Then the general compartment passed by, and slowly what happened? The train stopped at that very moment. And we observed that all the gates were closed, but the compartment just parallel to us, that very compartment had the gate open. So what happened? We started debating that what can we do? We can either go to Rourkela and try to switch the trains there, and it's more risky because we don't have any chances that this train will reach Rourkela on time. On the other hand, we have the another choice that we can change the trains in between the tracks. Now, what happened? The guy named Rupesh, he is also an art learning teacher. He jumped from this very train in which we were traveling, and he boarded the next train. And he said, "मैं तो जा रहा हूँ, तुम लोग अपना समझ लो." Then what happened? We started debating. Some of us were saying that it's very risky to cross here. Others were saying it is the only way. So what happened? While we were talking, some of the youth volunteers, we made a plan. कि यार जो भी हो, let's see. Let's go to the change the train in between the tracks. Now, with all and it was risky because we had senior citizens with us, and we also had a child who was just 6 months old. So what happened? We started with we started changing the trains in between the tracks. And I remember when the last guy got into the train with his bag. His name was Abhishek. At that very moment, this train, the Tata Yeshwantpur, started rolling its wheel, and it started running towards Rourkela. So this was the movement when we saw that not even a single water bottle was left in that very train, LFP, in which we were previously traveling. And this happened all because of the prayers and all because of Gurudev's grace. So after this, whenever I am in a problem, I just pray to Gurudev that गुरुदेव आपने उतनी बड़ी ट्रेन और उतनी तेज ट्रेन को हमारे लिए रोक दिया था, तो जस्ट ये स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे लिए कुछ भी नहीं. सो फ्रॉम आफ्टर दैट आई एम जस्ट ग्रेटफुल टू हिम एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू एक्सप्रेस माय ऑल ग्रैटिट्यूड टू हिम. जय गुरुदेव.